Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Haselton, and I like to start my videos off with a joke. So the joke for this video is, where do polar bears keep their money? In a snowbank. So hopefully you got some laughter and happiness out of that. Before we get started, I just want to say I greatly appreciate all of the support so much. I have a huge goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers by June of this year, so all of the support is truly helpful and I greatly appreciate it. Alright, let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to keep track of your keywords and do keyword research for whatever notebook or book that you are creating. I will be using Amazon.com for this video and this AMZ suggestion expander. You can download it for free off of the Chrome web store. At least it is free right now, and it gives you a little idea of what it does. So basically, when you type in a keyword, it will also show you other keywords that people are searching for before or after, or there's even an other column, and it just gives you an amazing idea of all the various keywords that people are searching for. So I highly recommend downloading that. So moving right along, I already opened up some tabs here. So what you want to do is search a keyword. So for this, we'll be doing a line composition notebook. So you just want to search random, or not completely random, but just a bunch of keywords related to your notebook or book in some way, and then you're going to track it. So I opened up a Google Sheets here. I labeled it line notebook keywords. You'll have a column for the keywords and then a column for the search results. So for this first one, I'm just going to copy the keyword here and then paste it. Just Control C and Control V on my Windows PC or my Windows laptop, and then just the results. So 330, make sure you are in the all column. At least this is how I would do it, because this is the majority of the time how people are searching. And then I'd move right along to the next one. So now we have Lion Notebook for boys, 10,000 results. So I'll just copy and paste that. You can also look at the BSR levels if you want to for each search result and go into a lot more detail, but for the sake of this video, this is the way that I would suggest doing it. Obviously, you'll probably have way more keywords than I'm doing here. You could have 20, 40, 50, well over 100, but you get the idea, so I'm not going to go down the entire list because keywords can take a while to do. So this one is Lion Notebook for girls, copy and paste it, and we have 881 results, so just going to put that in right there. And then for the fourth keyword, we have Lion Notebook for kids with 20,000 results. So for your keywords, obviously you would have to do more than what I just did, because you have 7 keyword boxes, and this is for the long keyword method. There are other methods to doing this, so definitely figure out what's works best for you and your own personal preference. But this is an amazing way to keep track of all the keywords and the search results. I recommend using keywords that have less than 1,000 search results and that are competitive, in the sense where people are buying, but not too competitive where you wouldn't have any chance. So if we look at this Lion Notebook for kids one, there's 20,000 results. So this is way too many in my opinion. You can see how many books are selling, how many are not. This is not a super high selling niche. I mean, there's some on the first page that don't even have a sale. It says ranked not found. So this is definitely a personal choice if you wanted to make a Lion Notebook. This is just an example I'm using. This is not like a niche that I'm telling you to do or anything like that. It's just a niche that I thought would be a good example for this video. Obviously, it's up to you if it's worth making a notebook in this niche or not. Personally, I just love making notebooks, so I believe I have a Lion notebook, possibly. I'm not exactly sure what I use for keywords, but this is one way to go about creating your keywords. So then you would just look at your list, pick some that have less than 1,000 or whatever you feel is best to use, and then copy and paste them into your keyword boxes. There were other ways to do this, and you can just pick whatever way you feel is best and go from there. This is why this business is so amazing, because you can personalize it to yourself and do how you want to run your business. But this is just a suggestion for you when you're doing keywords. And just to give you an idea of how the expansion works, so when I click on here and I'm typing, it shows up a bunch of other suggestions for me, and depending on what you type in, it will change what it's doing. So if I change it to like Lion Journal, it's going to pop up a bunch of other things as well. So this could be a long list of keywords I recommend doing some keyword research before creating your book, because then you know what's competitive, what's not competitive, and what is a great niche and keyword to use and get into. I don't usually do my full keyword research until I'm uploading the book. I just make sure I have at least a few or a couple of them. Sometimes if I find one really good keyword, I'll just go for it. So again, that is totally up to you what you'd like to do, but this is a great way to find niches, and then in return, you're also finding great keywords to use for your book. So I hope this was helpful. I know it was a very quick tutorial. I do have another keyword research video right now if you want to go check that out. I show you both ways that I have seen people do it and learned how to do it. I personally like the longer keyword ways right now, but that's just my personal preference. If you have any comments, tips, tricks, concerns, feedback, anything like that, please feel free to comment them below, or you can just let me know how you're doing. I love getting to know you guys, and I greatly appreciate all of the support so much. You guys are truly amazing, so thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.